Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kellyNeshell. If you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to start this look off with using the BH Cosmetics 120 palette, and I'm going to tell you from now, this look is a look that takes dedication, and I'm going to go really in depth. First, I concealed my eyes, and then I took the black shade from the palette to create a semicircle on my eyes. After which, after packing that shade off, I'm going to go in with my concealer to cut out a cut crease, because this look is a semi cut crease look. After using the concealer to cut out the cut crease, I'm going to use a Q-tip to remove the concealer and the shadow from that space. Then I'm going to go back in with my concealer and reapply it to create a base for the eyeshadow to adhere to. The only thing I think is I would have chosen a different concealer, because this was a little runny. Then I'm going to go back over where that color still remains and blend that black out somewhat. Then I'm going to take these pink shades from my BH 120 palette. Now guys, this is a look that I saw on the internet that I decided to recreate using much cheaper eyeshadow, and I'm going in and re-adding the shadow and buffing it out at the same time. Now I'm going under my waterline with my concealer to create a base to add that pink shade under my eyeshadow, under my eyelids, and I'm going to keep packing that shadow on until I get the desired look. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And now I'm dragging that black into that pink to create a seamless transition, as you can see here, because we don't want it to be too harsh. Remember guys, I told you this look takes dedication. It's gonna take a while for you to see it all to come together. Now I'm cleaning up any fallout I have under my eyes, because I did get somewhat amount of fallout, nothing dramatic. And I'm going in now to add my foundation to finish my base off, because I didn't want to do my foundation first, because I figured I would have some amount of fallout. And I'm doing my foundation just per usual. Nothing has changed. It's the same technique basically, and I just decided to leave it in so you guys can see the full face, but it's the same procedure. Nothing has changed. I concealed, just the same thing guys. If you want me to go in depth about my foundation routine, I will do that. Now I'm going to take my powder that I used to set my face to blend out the black around the black shadow a bit, because it was a little bit harsh and I wanted to soften it up somewhat. Now this is my Iman pressed powder. I'm going to go over my entire face with this. This is like my finishing powder to set everything in place. After which I'm taking this duo contour kit to do a light contour. I'm doing powder. I didn't go cream because I didn't want the contour to be too much, because the eyes are already a lot. And after that, I'm just going to go over everything with my foundation brush. Now guys, the eyes are not finished, but I am going to use my Epic ink liner from NYX to create a base for my lashes to rest on. But before applying lash, I'm going to go in with this mascara from CoverGirl. It's called Total Tease, and I really like this mascara. And now I'm going to apply my lashes. These lashes, I don't know what they're called. As I said before, I've had these lashes forever and a day. And I'm just going to go in and apply them per usual. And as I said, the eyes are still not finished yet, because if you saw my intro, you'll see that there's a lot more to this eye. But I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes right now. Guys, if you have not subscribed, please go do so. Now for the fun part of the eye, I'm taking Crown from this BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette, and this is a beautiful shadow. Crown is so beautiful, and I'm adding this shade into my tear duct, close to my tear duct, you know, just to add that sparkle to the eye. It is so beautiful. Crown is so beautiful, guys. BH Cosmetics makes some beautiful shadows. I realize a lot of people sleep on BH Cosmetics. Well, not really now. Now I've seen a lot more coming out, a lot more people using BH Cosmetics. But on to the look. I am going in to start highlighting my face, and I'm using my regular highlighter that I normally use. I'm gonna switch it up somewhat because I do have a lot more, but this is Precious Petal from Wet n Wild. After highlighting, I'm going in and brushing out my brows because they needed to be brushed out. And for my lips, I'm using this Ruby Kisses lipstick called Tippy Toe, and this is a really great lipstick for the price. I think it was $1.99, and it's really great. Guys, look at the look. Look how beautiful it turned out. I'll give you the deets on the palette and everything and where I got this inspiration coming up, so stay tuned. The video is not done. Now we are at the end of the look, guys, and this is what the look turned out to be. My thoughts on this look: I think it turned out well. It's a look that I created from a post on Instagram, and this is the person that this is the look. You're able to see, you were able to see the look. However, this is my rendition of the look, and I hope you like it. I hope it turned out well. Well, in my opinion, it turned out well, and I hope you try it, because you know what, it's makeup, and as they always say, at the end of the day, it washes off. I know the look is on 2 different skin tones, but this is how it would look on a chocolate girl. Is the look chocolate friendly? Yes, I think so. And I love it. I love how it turned out on me. I think it popped. It's kind of out of my comfort zone as color wise, but it really popped. But the thing with this look is a look that takes commitment, because at the beginning of this look, I was like, hell, this look is going nowhere. But see, that means you just have to stick through stuff, stick through it, work it out. Whatever you're going through, just work it out, work it out. But the most phenomenal thing about this look, I think, is the fact that I used a old palette, really old palette. If you know this palette, you know this is an old first edition BH Cosmetics palette, and the colors really showed up, and I really like the look. So as I said, guys, thank you for watching. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are.